A short video on how to flip an antique lockbox from a right hand to a left hand open or vice versa. So most antique lockboxes were made to be able to reverse to be used on either right hand or left hand doors. And the part that we're going to be working with is this latch part here. So this is a mortise lockbox, but you can also do this with most externally mounting or rim lockboxes as well. So there should be a screw in the center of the box part of the lockbox here. So all we need is a flathead screwdriver. We're going to undo that screw and go ahead and pop the cover off of the lockbox. I do recommend you be a little careful. There are things under tension sometimes inside of there. And go ahead and take a picture of the inside of the lockbox once you take that cover off before you start messing with anything, just in case things get shifted. Because all of these lockboxes are different inside. There are so many different variations. So you want to know where things started out before you start moving anything. But it should be real simple. Usually the latch part is a single separate piece. Sometimes there might be a little spring in here, so make sure that it makes contact as it would have originally once you move it. But all you need to do is take that separate little latch piece out, slide it out like so. We're going to flip it the other direction and then just go ahead and slide it right back in and back into place, making sure that everything connects as it did before. You also want to make sure that it connects properly with the portion that the doorknob shaft goes into, because that's going to give you your functionality. And after that, all we do is replace the cover and you are good to go. You now have the reverse situation of what you started with. And go ahead and replace that screw. And that's all there is to it.